Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software and this new steel plate design here and today discuss here how to this body is designed here easily and clearly, and today discuss here all method and all process is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a multi-section view is drawing here, and this is a isometric view is also available here, and this is a back side and front side, both side is a looking perfect, and looking so nice here. And this new plate design here create a new plate, and this body is a this is a looking very nice here, and this plate is a new sketch drawing, and how to this sketch drawing clearly learn here easily and clearly. Okay, and both side is a looking perfect. Okay, and also all point is, and this is a boundary is also all available here, and all is looking perfect. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design. Click here. Okay, and at first drawing this XY plane and click a position sketch is select here. Okay, this is a correct and perfect. Okay, at first drawing a center rectangle is very important, and okay, this drawing this okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, this dimension is also okay. Okay, and this length is 368 millimeter, and also this is a width is 248 millimeter is correct, and okay, this is a so nice looking here. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this corner is apply here and select all corner one time and select 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and click exit, and at first click this set metal parameters because all command is not activated, and at first select this parameter, then other command is also activated. Okay, this is all command is activated, and this value is changeable. You can see here easily. This sheet metal parameters is dialog box is pop up, and this thickness is 1 millimeter, and also this default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct, but 2 millimeter is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and this wall is select here, and this line is also select here, and this invert material side click and OK. At first sheet is created here, and this is a use a shading with edge without a smooth edge is click, and okay, at first this sheet is created here, and all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay. Okay, at first select this face and click a position sketch, select here and click OK. This is a perfect, and at first select this is a offset command is select here, and anywhere is click here, and this is a perfect, and this value is change here, -10 is correct, and exit. And this command is use a surface stamp command is used here, and this is a perfect, select this, and this surface stamp definition box is pop up, and all dimension you can see here easily, and this value is changed here. And at first this angle is 90 degree is correct, and this height is 6.4 is correct, and this preview is showing here. And also this first radius is 3.4 3.3, and this is a 3.4 is correct, and preview is showing here this is a correct. This bend is a perfect looking here, and at first again select this face and click a position sketch is select here, and this is a click OK, and this is a correct because a new look is create here this face. And at first click one circle, and okay, one circle is drawing here, and two center rectangle is drawing here. Okay, at first select a first center rectangle, and again select a second center rectangle. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is correct. Okay, and all dimension is mentioned here, and at first select this all corner is select here, and this okay, and select this is a 18 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a click here this diameter, and again select this point, and select this, okay, this length. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and again select this length, and this length. Okay, this length and this width, and this length is also dimension is mentioned here, and again select this point, and this is this okay, and again select this point, and this is this correct. Okay, and very nice, and select this point, and this point is this. Okay, and again one point is also select here, this is this point, and this point, this distance is correct. Okay, this is perfect. All is green color means this is fully defined is correct. Okay, and one by one is change here, and at first select this is 180 is correct, but okay, this is 170 is better. Okay, and this is 100 is correct, and also this is 100 is correct, and this value is change here 100. Okay, and also this value is change here 70. Okay, perfect. And also this value is change here 70 is correct. Okay, and this value is a 185 is better. Okay, all is perfect. 180 is nice. Okay, okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a 100 is correct. Okay, and also this value is a change here as 70 is perfect. and this value is a 12 is correct. Okay, and again select this value is a 90 is correct. Okay, this value is a okay, 90 is correct, and this is 100 is correct, and also this is a 1110 is also better, but this is a 70 is correct. Okay, and also this 80 is perfect. Okay, and this value is also 90 is better. Okay, all is perfect. 85, and also select this is a 95 is better. Okay, all is perfect, correct, and also 105 is correct. 1110 is also better. Okay. Okay, all is looking perfect and all is correct. This value is all is perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all dimension is perfect. Okay, and this is a exit, and use a surface stamp command is click here. Okay, and select automatic is selected, and this is a 90 degrees correct, and this is a 80 85 degree 85 angle is change here, and this is a 42 is better. Okay, and also this is a 5.2. okay, this is a 4.4, and this value is change here 5.2, and preview is showing here this is a correct. Okay, this value is perfect, and also this is a 56 is better, and this is a correct. 56 is also 65 is also looking nice here, and this is a correct and perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, and a boundary is apply here. This is a use a this teardrop is command is used here, and this is a length is 2 millimeter. Okay, and use this upper line is select here. Select all line separately one by one, and this is a correct. Boundary is also apply also. Okay, create here, and this material is apply here. This is a use a shading with material, and then click this and use a steel perfect, and this steel is right click and property, and reflectivity is very high, and use a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. All is looking perfect, and this some angle is bending here because 85 degree angle is bend. Okay, this is looking perfect. and correct. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is this all process is learned here easily and clearly. Okay. Okay, and guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.